If you want to learn how to buy shares of Nutex Health Inc., NUTX is a consumer wellness company trading on NASDAQ under the ticker NUTX. This walkthrough is educational only and is not financial advice. To purchase shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will be asked to verify your account with an identification document and to add funds before you can trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker NUTX to locate Nutex Health. Select the result that explicitly shows Nutex Health Inc. on NASDAQ to ensure it is the correct listing. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to see recent market activity and basic company details. Confirm the page displays Nutex Health Inc. and the NUTX ticker before continuing. Click the Buy or Invest button. Choose the amount you want to invest. Review the order details and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when markets open. And if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it over time. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to follow the same steps.